So it's been a while, guys. I haven't uploaded like in what? I think today makes exactly 31 days, a whole month. And I said I will upload weekly. Yeah, I got a really consistent schedule, it seems. Well, let's just leave that aside for now. Hello. This is the fifth devlog for Overtaken, and there will also be some major changes for the channel also. First than anything, I like to show you all the reworked, the reworking of the player. I'm reworking the player again. So I previously used for the first person system, the usual thing: separate body, floating gun, as you can see here. Thing is, when you put the arms and you start looking down, it just doesn't feel natural. So I thought instead of using FPS, let's use true FPS. Some of you might know what this is, but for those of you who don't know, true FPS is when you use the same body for the first person animations, like what I'm doing right now here. This is being kind of hard, to be honest. First, I need to actually start making the animations, which I don't have right now. So far, I've been using animations from Mixamo into a model made in around 3 minutes in Mixamo Fuse. So I gotta start making the model, start animating it, which means having to hire a modeler, having to hire an animator, paying him for each animation, which is gonna end up costing some money. So I have to, let's just say I have to go slow on it. But so far, I've gotten something done for now. I'm working on the system, the code, the animator, as I had to switch a lot of it. I believe this will be the last time I rework the player, as it's actually looking really nice from the point I started, and it's looking a lot of as why I want for this game and the vision I have, and the immersion I want in it. So I'll start showing you all the animator. So for the animator, I'm using this similar, actually almost the same system I use for the legs. So the thing is, in order to use the same body, you cannot move a object while it's being animated. So for that, I have to separate it into layers: the torso layer and the legs layer. This is the simplest one, as it only needs a single set of animations for it. Torso is the complicated one. I need a set of animation for everything: unarmed, P226, that will be the main pistol, shotgun, and every single gun that there will be in the game. So that's the hardest part of it. The way this works, I use a blend tree also. Blend trees make everything really easy on Unity's animation system. So the way I use it is I have a parameter that's idle, walk, and run, blah blah. So when this is at 0, it's just idle. 1 means walk, and run, and 2 means run. Oh, I think the name leaves it pretty clear, but just let's explain a bit further on that. Now the thing is, I also have the transition to the ADS, and you have a trigger for fire. Now none of this is working because one, I haven't finished all the backend code I have to switch and implement, and also I don't have animations for it. So it's gonna take a while to get everything working 100%, but hopefully in the next 2 or 3 weeks I'll have it done. This is being kind of hard because I have to rework all the systems I had in place for the player, almost all of them. I have to rework player animation system. I have to rework the code also for the inventory system, as what the inventory had done so far. When you hit use on the item, you just deactivated all the other weapons and activated the one you hit use for. Now the way I'm going to be doing this is all of the weapons are going to be in the player's hands model. you'll simply be activating and deactivating the weapons and also putting animations in it. Now, the thing for that is I have to change all the inventory code, have to change all the weapon code, and basically that's a lot of work, and it's gonna take a while. So, next thing, you see this map, forget about it. It's gonna get completely removed. We're working on a new map, and yes, I said we instead of I am, because one, I suck at 3D modeling. I can make some decent stuff, but for the quality that I want for this game, it's not close to it at all. There's a guy on Fiverr that I've worked with before. He's a really talented developer. His name is Wayne Corsair. I've only done with him 3D models so far, but not a single time has he disappointed me. He's an amazing 3D modeler, and he's taking care of the new map. I actually have a sketch that he did, and it's like this. This is like the first floor, yellow. Second floor, I don't know if this is orange or red. I think it's orange. Bottom floor, and basement. So that's the basic sketch of the map. It will change a lot by how it's looking, as I am 100% sure a lot will be added to it and a lot will be changed into it. So that's not gonna be close to the end of the map, I believe. Maybe I'm wrong, it's just like that one, but I don't think it's gonna be that like that 100%. This guy is also handling the puzzles. Yesterday he sent me a message telling me about the puzzles and what he had thought about it, and he has some amazing puzzles, to be honest. Some of them are complex, very few of them are complex, but they are simple yet challenging, and that's what I love about those puzzles specifically. So right now we're preparing a demo, just a small section of the map, and showing out of the game and the way it's meant to be. That will include full-fledged character, so all I said I will have to do it. The new map with really high quality textures and lighting, a lot better than the shitty lighting I have in place. And you'll see a lot of things changing from now on. The name of the guy is Wayne Corsair, so in case you want to check out his Fiverr account, go for it. Yeah, I forgot to mention that. He's a Fiverr freelancer whom, as I already said, I've worked with before. But if you need anything like 3D modeling related, environment design, anything, believe me, that's the guy to go to. He's amazing at that. Now, moving forward. So there's this guy who commented, I believe it was yesterday or before yesterday, day before yesterday. He's a 3D animator. He makes first-person animations, and he asked me to check out his channel, and I did. I looked at his animations, and they're actually pretty nice, to be honest. He's also an indie dev, so I can empathize with him a lot on it. I'm also a... What the fuck was that? Since I'm also a indie game dev, so I'm gonna leave his channel down in the description. Make sure you go there, check those animations out. He also has a webpage that you can check out, and maybe you'll end up buying his animations. Also, I was thinking on reviewing it. I commented that to him through his webpage. I contacted him about it, so maybe you'll see some reviews about that. Now, hello guys. This is a piece of video I'm throwing in before actually uploading the videos. I was editing it right now, and I realized I forgot to mention something, which was the enemy AI has also been reworked, and it's actually looking pretty nice now. I'm gonna show you quickly the player how it looks because I also forgot to do that. So this is the way it looks with the new perspective. Obviously it has no animations for the top part, and yes, I know it looks a lot like RE7, but I'm still thinking how to position the gun in a way that it doesn't look so the usual, you know, FPS, but we'll see how that ends up being. Now, let me take this arm away. So I'm just doing it so it doesn't obstruct the sight when we use the actual gun. That is, this doesn't have activated right now, as the other one's not done yet. So this new enemy has a lot of things, and between those things is dismemberment. See, again, it's not 100% finished. I still have to add the actual limb falling apart. I have to add the blood splatters, well, better blood splatters, and also the actual like sounds and everything. But so far, this is as much as I've gotten done. So I actually keep track on the script of every single limb it has, so the animations will change between differing from the limbs. So for example, if I destroy this limb, it will actually play a different animation for attack. That I haven't put in place yet, the actual animation, so it will just be T-pose for attack, so it's not gonna do anything. But what I have done is this. So now he can fall, and he will be slower, and he will still try to follow you. I think it actually looks pretty nice. Obviously it needs better animations and a better model, but again, I'm still working on the whole system, so when it's done I will start making different models and actually putting the animations in. And this is all I forgot to put in. Oh, also, you can shoot his setup. Let's see. Oh, he died before the head was shut off, but the thing is, in this case, I totally ripped off RE2 remake. As for the head exploding, it's everywhere in the body you will make the same damage, except I believe for the for the legs and the arms. But head and torso are the same thing. The only place where you do less damage is the legs and the arms. Now, for the head, the only difference from everything else is that it has a 10% chance that you will that the bullet will be a critical hit and it will blow up the head. So that will insta kill the zombie. Again, I still have a lot of balancing issues. So obviously the game is at an early stage. For the end of the game, it will be a lot better. Also, this is one thing I have to solve. This is the second time I record this video, because first time I forgot to check the audio, and I learned a pretty good lesson. So that's what I was talking about. This guy just starts jumping everywhere for some reason. I don't know why. He just jumped from here, and if this is actually gonna be the same way, because he did the same spot last time, he will end up on the floor hanging from one of his hands. But let's just not allow him to do that. So now I'll leave you with the rest of the video. It's just yourself why I did this whole thing in the middle, skip intro part, is because I'm lazy, first, and second, this is the second time recording the video, so I won't record 15 more minutes again. But I hope that's not an issue for you. And this is all I had to say for this part I forgot. I'll leave you with the rest of the devlog now. This is as far as we get talking about the game and everything. Now, moving towards the other video, I'm just gonna tell you guys a bit of things that I'm gonna change about the channel and the way that things are gonna be done from now on. First than anything, as you realize, I'm actually recording this like live, in the meaning that I'm not just using footage and then commenting it over it. So I think I'm gonna be doing the videos like this from now on. Also, I might be changing the name of the channel. I'm still deciding on it, but we'll see that on the coming weeks. Next thing, the channel will not just be about devlogs anymore. I'm also gonna make some reviews won't be from video games, will be just like assets and Unity packages. Also, I will be making tutorials. There are a lot of people out there that want to learn how to make games, but let's just say C# coding, it's easy when you know it, but when you're starting, it's just like going through hell. At least that's how it was for me. So I want to make tutorials for those who want to learn how to make a game, and I want to make them easy to understand. Again, I'm not a great teacher, so I hope I can explain things in a really easy way, but we'll see how it turns out. Tutorials will be from basic stuff to complex things on how to do the inventory system I have here, to the gun system and everything. So I hope this way it's better, as the channel will have more variety content, and I will be able to upload more often and work on different things, because being honest, just working on the same project 24/7 gets you burned out really quickly. That has happened to every single developer, at least I think so. But being honest, I think this is the best way to approach it. Again, I won't say that I'm gonna upload a devlog next week, because every single time I say that I end up uploading in a month. So let's just say I'll see you guys the next time. Hopefully that next time is not from a month from now, but I'll see you guys next time. I hope you'll like the video. Again, I'm gonna leave Win Corsair's Fiverr account in the description. Make sure to check it out if you need anything for freelancing. I'm gonna leave youranim.com, the webpage, and also his channel, so you can check it out by yourself. And like, subscribe,